Hello everyone, Corbs here bringing you another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is on how to create your own custom site switch page for Nuke Sentinel. You might be a little bit confused. What do I mean by this? Well, as you can see, my website is down. I've shut it down myself. As you can see, I'm in the back end of the admin of it, and I have a custom thing, and at the top it says site closed, meaning anybody that's not an admin will see this page instead, no matter what they type in. Well, the way this is done is the knowledge of basic HTML. I've explained this several times on both Clan Themes when that was around and Evo. I first did this probably around 8 years ago, when we transferred our last site. Yeah, so it's been closer to 8 years now, maybe a little bit longer. And I created a page, and several people were like, hey, how do you do that? I see it's Nuke Sentinel. I didn't know Nuke Sentinel could do that. Yes, you can. Nuke Sentinel does have a way to do this. Well, first thing you gotta know is basic HTML. How to create an HTML page. Here is my simple HTML page that I created. As you can see, I'm hosting the site currently on Lone Star's site through his image repository because, well, my site is in the process of being transferred. Normally I would be hosting this myself, but I can't right now, so I'm just uploading it. It's not a large image, so but this is what it looks like live. So but yeah, this is pretty much it. So here we're going to get back to the code. So you need to know how to create a basic HTML page. I'm not going to go over exactly how to create it and whatnot because there's literally thousands of tutorials on how to create your own page, and there's probably millions of free templates out there. So needless to say, just create your own basic HTML page. Then what you need to do is you need to name it admin underscore, and then whatever you want after that. Remember, no spaces in the name. If you want a space, put an underscore. No spaces. It is very bad practice to put spaces in URLs because they do get replaced with %20. So don't ever put a space, especially like a rare or something you're going to be uploading it to your site. Please, for the sake of it, you guys gotta stop doing that. And I'm not saying all of you, but I could probably point out maybe around 60 of you that I've helped out over the last couple of years that do it even after I told them not to do it. And then they come back to me, I can't get the URL. The URL's a little funky. Well, crap. You have spaces. So, yeah, don't put spaces. Just do admin underscore whatever. Like me, this one's called site transfer. So when I go to Nuke Sentinel, you can see right here, we got site transfer. So first I'm going to show you right here. This is the file path that you want to have it go to. I'm going to copy that, and it's going to be right below at the bottom. So you should be seeing it right now at the bottom, but the URL is the root of your site / includes / Nuke Sentinel / abuse. That is the folder in which you want to place your file in. You'll see that a bunch of files already in here, abuse, whatever. Scroll down, you'll see admin. So you want to use these admin pages. So it's going to be admin underscore whatever. You don't need to edit one of these. I recommend, if you're going to do that, then make a copy of site reason or something, move it like I did here, and create a new one. Name it site reason underscore whatever. I have two of the same. I don't know why. But whatever. So basically, what you want to do is just create whatever you want for a page and save it as a .tpl file. You can write it within a text file. You can write it within HTML page or an HTML page. Doesn't matter. But when you upload it, you're going to want to change it from whatever that is to .tpl. And that is going to be your template file for this. Mind you, you don't really want anything huge and elaborate. I mean, it is just a disabled page. So once you've created the page, you saved it, you upload it to this page. Now this is how you activate it. You come into Nuke Sentinel. As you can see, my site is closed, but yours won't be closed. But when it's not closed, what you want to do is come into Nuke Sentinel, and inside the administration, right here, you'll see Site Switch. It's right underneath Nuke Sentinel status. What you want to do is go to Site Switch and switch that to Site Disabled. Then before you save, you go to the default page and set it to whatever you want. Me, since I created the site transfer for this specific reason, I select my transfer page that I created. As you notice, it doesn't show the admin underscore or any of the other underscores. Well, that's because it strips that out and says, okay, don't call it admin underscore whatever, but it's going to be looking for that file. It's going to say, take any file that has admin underscore, display it here, but don't show the admin underscore, just show the rest of the thing. So I select site transfer, and then you come down and click save changes. Now you're going to see site closed, and if you click on home, you'll be able to see it and that. But if I log out of admin, I will see this. Now, what if I come in and I want to do some changes to the site? Just go to your site, /admin.php, or whatever you named it as, and then you can log in, which I'm not going to do. Choose Sidewalk. I think I might have changed my password. Nope. As you can see, reCAPTCHA is working just fine. But now I can see my site and I can do whatever I want from inside here. Even re-enable my site. So as long as you're logged in as admin, you can see the site. But if I come over here, click log out, let me click on forums, doesn't matter. Nuke Sentinel's disabled my site. So it doesn't matter where you go, you always have that same page. So that is how easy it is. Just a matter of creating a template, upload it to that folder path, and then just go into your admin and disable it through Nuke Sentinel with right these two pages. This is your disable, and when you want to re-enable it, just change that to site enabled and then save. You don't have to worry about default page because, well, if it's enabled, it's not going to use that. So that's it. I've done tutorials on this before. It is very simple. Sorry I'm not going into more depth about how to create the HTML page, but honestly, there's already a ton of tutorials, and to keep this under 10 minutes, I figured this is the best way. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can contact me through my own website when it gets transferred, or you can contact me through EvoSite, Lone Star Site, or even come to my TeamSpeak. If this tutorial is helpful in any way and you want to help out our community, feel free to donate right at my website when our site gets back. So, till next time, you guys have a good one.